tips this evening from the Jamaica Computer Society on how to protect yourself from potential hacking when using free public Wi-Fi. In part one of this two-part report, an ICT expert explained how hackers can access your information on some free public Wi-Fi networks. But as Giovanni Dennis reports, there are ways you can stay safe.
A reminder from part one of our report.
If you're not careful and you don't know which Wi-Fi you're accessing to, people can create like a fake Wi-Fi on top of it and have a very small differentiation in the characters. So let's say...
And that's how potentially easy it is for you to be hacked on a free public Wi-Fi network. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are do's and don'ts the Jamaica Computer Society recommends. Stacey Hines is the president.
First of all, you want to make sure that you turn off different things that can allow hackers to access your devices and information. So you want to turn off your Bluetooth, because hackers can use your Bluetooth to actually access your information, and it's not often thought about because your Bluetooth is kind of always on, right? You want to, if you're on your laptop, you want to turn off file sharing.
As a rule of thumb, back up your data and use different passwords for different accounts. You may consider purchasing a virtual private network, or VPN for short.
What that allows you to do, it's almost like putting up your own little shield around your data, so that when you are connecting through this public system, it makes your information anonymous, right? So hackers aren't able to get to your IP address. So they can't really see what's going on behind the screen of this virtual private network.
You should also ensure your connection is secure. If you are required to create an account or enter different authentications, those usually suggest the network is secured. Even so, when you're finished using the Wi-Fi, click the Forget Network option on your device.
We don't usually do that, because we like that when we go into our favorite coffee shop, we can just always just automatically be connected. But that's actually one of the easiest ways for hackers to get access to you. It's because you forget to disconnect from that network and you kind of leave yourself open.
For IT expert Craig Poe, the most important thing is to avoid financial transactions.
Banking? No, don't ever bank on a public Wi-Fi. Unless it's like a known secure place, like your office or a hotel or something that you know, like the administrators have made that secure. You're not.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.